all are fit and fine. As we have completed chapter number 4, right? Now I am going to start chapter number 5, that is articles and determiners. Right? What is articles? See students, articles means a and the. Right? There are two types of articles, that is definite and indefinite. Right? And there are 6 types of determiners, that is demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, distributives and articles. Right? Now let's read from the textbook. What is determiners? Determiners are words that are used before a noun to determine or indicate whether something specific or particular is being referred to. What is determiner? Determiners are those words which are used before noun, right, to determine or indicate whether something specific or particular is being referred to. Means कुछ specific or particular refer करते हैं. Before that, right, before that noun we use determiner, right? And for example, these kittens, my friend, any book, a man, etc. Read the following groups of words. Spacious room, that room. The word spacious describes the noun, so it is an adjective. That room. The word that does not describe the noun but specify the noun. Spacious room, it describes the noun, so it is adjective. But that room, it is not describing the noun, right? But it specifies the noun. Means बताते कि वो room इस तरह से, right? It points to a particular room. It is determiner. So here that is called a determiner. An adjective describes a noun and tells us about some special quality or how many. What is adjective? Adjective tells us about noun, right? It tells some special quality or number of noun. But what is determiner? A determiner points at a noun and tells which one. See the difference of determiner and adjective. Adjective tells or adjective describes the noun, right? It said adjective specify the noun, tells the number of the noun, but determiner, right? Determiner points at a noun, right? And tells which one. Determiner points at a noun and tells which one. It is evident from this example that determiners can be of many types. Now determiners can be of many types. For example, article, demonstrative, possessive and so on. Now what are the features of determiners? Determiners come before nouns and point them out. What are the features of determiners? Determiners comes before the noun and to point out the noun. They can be articles. Articles means a and the. It may be demonstratives, that these, that, such, those, these types of words. Possessives, his, your, my. Quantifiers means many, little, some, right? Much. These types of words are used. Distributives and interrogatives. Now what is articles? Let's read what is articles. Let us discuss the use of articles in detail. What is articles? Articles means a and the, means there are 2 types of articles, that is definite and indefinite. The is called the definite article and a and n are called indefinite articles. There are 3 types of articles, namely a and the. As we already know, a and n are called indefinite articles, and while the is called the definite articles. These articles are used as determiners, means a and the are used as determiners. Now let's read the points. Article A is used before a singular countable nouns which begin with a consonant sound. When we use a is used before a singular noun which should be countable and the sound of that noun should be consonant, right? And for example, a river, a book, a joke. Article A is also used to show a kind, class or species. A is also used to show the kind, right, species. For example, a deer is a gentle animal. Sometimes article A is used to show rank, profession or community. To show the rank, profession, right? Profession means teacher, doctor, lawyer, all this is the profession. Community, that is, right? For a caste, it means community means Hindu, Christian, for the Hinduism, for that we use A. A nurse, a teacher, a Christian. Means A is used before a singular countable noun and the sound of that noun must be of consonant. It is used before kind and species and it is used before the rank, community and for the profession also. Now use of article N. Article N is used before singular countable nouns which begin with a vowel sound. See, N is used before a countable, singular countable noun, but the sound of that noun must be of vowels, right? It is A, E, I, O, U. For example, an umbrella, an egg, and ostrich. See students, whenever we use A or N, be careful, you have to see the sound of the word, right? Don't write that as the word is started before with A, E, N, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Before that write N, not like that. And if the word is started with the consonant, write A, not write that. You have to see the sound and as per that you have to write A or N. If it is consonant sound, write A, and if it is vowel sound, write N. Some words begin with a consonant when written, but begin with a vowel sound when spoken. We use N before words which begin with a vowel sound. See students, some words are started with a consonant, right? But when we speak, the sound is a vowel. So we have to write N. An honest man. Here, honest, it is H-O-N-E-S-T. H is silent, right? So sound is O, honest. So O is a vowel. So before that we have to write N. Similarly, we write N before words like our and honorable. See students, our, H-O-U-R, our here sound is A and honorable again sound is A. H are silent. So before these words, we have to use N, and our, an honorable person. And see examples, an our, an honorable, an heir, an heiress, an honorary members, and honest girl. Means here in these words, H is silent, so we have to write N. Now next is some words begin with vowel when written but begin with consonant sound when spoken. If a word begins with a vowel but with the consonant sound, we use a before it. Again, the rule is that if the word is written with vowel but the sound is consonant, so we have to write a. For example, a European lady. See here spelling of European. E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N. European. Right? E is a vowel. But here the pronunciation of E is yo. Right? And again here it is consonant sound. So we have to write A. A 1 rupee note. See here 1. O-N-E. The word is written with vowel, but its sound is of consonant, va, right? So we have to write a before that. A university, university, U is a vowel, but the sound of U in this word university, it is ya. So ya is a consonant. So before that we have to write a union. A union. See ya. U is a vowel, but here the sound of U is ya, and ya is a consonant. So we have to write a before that. If a certain abbreviations begin with a vowel sound and though they have consonants at the beginning, we write N before them. See, abbreviations means short form. Some abbreviations are written with the consonant, but their sound is a vowel. So we have to write N. NMP, NMA, NMLA. MM is a consonant, but the sound of M is A. A is a vowel sound, right? So we have to write N before that. The article A is used with particular phrase. Some phrases are there with that we use a noise, a pity, a pleasure, a headache, in a hurry, a pain, a stomachache, in a loud voice, in nuisance. Means some phrase with some phrase we have to write a. Now what is a phrase? Phrase is a part of a sentence, right? It gives meaning but not the complete sense, and it doesn't have subject and a verb. That is called a phrase. So in some phrase we use a. Now exercise A. Tick the correct options to complete the sentence. Here you have to tick the correct options. Now students, let's do exercise A. Here we have to tick the correct options to complete the sentence. Means we have to some options are given and we have to take mark. First one, he will return in an hour. See, R, it is consonant, started with consonant, but its sound is of O, right? So we have to write N before it. A lion is the most ferocious of all animals. See, lion, it is consonant, started with consonant, so we have to write A. She is in an hurry. It is hurry, it is here it is used as a phrase and it is started with a consonant, so we have to write a hurry. Fourth one, he was waiting for an opportunity to start his own business. Opportunity, it's a vowel sound, right student? So we have to write an. Fifth one, his daughter has graduated as an engineer. Engineer, E is vowel and the sound is also A, right? So we have to write N. And the last sixth one, Girish wants to become an actor. Actor, it's a vowel sound, so we have to write N. So students, today we have learned use of an. Right? A is used with the singular countable noun and which is of consonant sound. Right? And an is used with the singular countable noun but which should be started with the vowel sound. Right? Some words start with the consonant but its sound is vowel. So we have to write N. And some words are written with vowel, started with vowel, but its sound is consonant. At that time we use a, right? And a is used with the species, kinds, community, teacher, etc. Right, students?
आभार।